rather yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Yeah.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Swag, right?
You know, interesting. I'm liking it. So what I need you guys to do is tell me your name and where you are coming from.
Libra.
Libra from where?
I'm Takwari, but I'm also a
Daddy! Don't say anything else. Daddy, go on.
I go by the name Goolux. Femi Wanapadi. Me free Bogoso. Western region. Make a fantini tree. I makes the fan tree. And I'm repping Teshin as well, you know.
Hey. Oh my goodness.
Energy.
Okay.
Energy.
I mean, they're both from the Western region. Western region has my heart. So I'm going to pick you. Do me proud. Remind DJ Baraski of the names while he tells you the rules for today.
All right.
So Libra and
Goolux.
What?
Libra and Goolux.
Goolux. Exactly. Okay. So it's pretty simple. We are here to entertain our viewers. No swear words, creativity, bars, wordplay, and we have 3 rounds or 4 or 3.
3 rounds.
3 rounds.
3 rounds.
Why not 4?
The 4th round is the winner.
I want us to do 5. All right, I'm just playing now. You have 3 rounds. So the first round, you show us what you've got. Second round, you go at each other. I mean, still on a lighter note, no swear words. And the third round, that's where Miss Drew gets to give you the contumely and she gives you a word, then you rap with it. Are you guys ready? You understand it?
Ready?
Yeah.
The rules are basic and simple.
Simple.
Let's do this.
So the stage is yours, guys.
And that's
Let's
your
take
camera.
it away.
So Libra, let's go.
Hey. You already know how we do it. Hey. You already know how it gets when I'm lit, when I spit. Niggas lines, yeah, you know that I'm the ish. We don't play here, boy. We don't here to watch your skit. Take a piss, cause we all up. Pulling my head as a power rhymes, a lines of fine, but can't define what time that it hits my mind. Cause I've been having conversation with some high dimensional bodies. They wearing blue baggies and their faces look saggy. Hey, yeah, I told my mama this is how I live my life. It's my life, so I'm gonna move it how I know it's right. It's my life, so I'm gonna move it higher than a kite. That's a flight, free like a buyer. That life is. You gotta send some Moses for these boys, cause they wanna kill me. So I'ma end your life today. You won't live it to see tomorrow. I'm going deeper than the bone marrow. These babies rap shallow.
Okay. Thank you, Libra. Round one, Goolux.
Goolux, are you ready?
Make me proud, man. Make me proud.
Yeah. Shall I go flow, baby? It be like I be the reason why the mic's on. Listen. Who be the real definition of a waterfall? Cause I get so much flow. I'm a black star, bro. Be a Christian, man. I'm looking at you so like they didn't enjoy than I used to. But now I'm used to be the Beatz virus. Sick of they made every instrumental, man. I can't stop, but my friends stop. Also, want me that when start with a booby, I bet to Venza. While I munyan to me, come me point here, horror adventure. Then I be cool, but no matter Pentecost student, me pensa to me bra me bekasa. Brother, so me point here, me brother. Rap ya so I can be an elder. My guy go win forever. The way I the spit, my flow the prayer, I never go pretend. Where you winning shit? Someone want just over pretend. Horizon flow, now me spit it. Won't feel me flow now, best you. Cause I go feel produce my own face. The day you go come, I go see men like Moses, the Israel, Kudos, my bone and a Libra. My band, my bow, Goolux, one up and my ass and a cathedral.
Okay. Or see Parazone flow, no, or any flow. Won't feel any flow, best sing. Okay.
Okay, it's only round 1.
That's hot.
It's only round 1.
That's hot.
Can I get my crown?
Hey! All right, cool.
I'm just in the back.
Round 2. Remember, that's your camera. You are going with punchlines. Libra. Goolux, you're starting.
No. Yeah, but go stand up. Teshi, Agulizan, what up? Tamale UDS. Yeah. Dude, make I tell them I'm playing stuff. These guys know the flow. Them my raps, please suck. Please stop. Call it a melody. Up more hawk, me be changing more hairstyle. Me be chop boys see peacock. Sick up, they no be productive. One way flows, don't you feel the flows I give? Enough is enough. This beat total cheats. Come see me, cause some poor no more talk active. So with them beep, I mean me shame we say TV. Yo, red boy, I'm gone bad like DJ Droga. I'm sick, but I'm blessed, Charlie. Timmy Bowa. hand, then figure say I get TB, but Joshua, no, mumbe show me teeth, go to the cramp on my way, me see the zero defeat, teacher, rapper, nana, no cut, send knife, ne send me the near lip, see me, bet you can't tease the cough. I'm the lyricist, I'm the rap soldier, this is how they call me back for flows. Cobra, serpent rapper, don't you compare these KG2 rappers to me, them like baby for when you're poor.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not talking.
Libra, Kwane Toby. Libra, Yanko.
Libra, you ready?
I'm ready. Y'all already know. Look at it twisted. And I Libra on the microphone. Alright. Yeah, so here the relate. He said, nah man, he know the feed, they hear what I say. Yeah, let me freestyle by the way. I'm on top of Ghana like Burkina Bay. Burkina Bay? Yeah, I'm in Burkina Faso. His serious girl, they eye me. I'm a FF for sure. That nice girl, they eye me. I'm a FF for sure. My fashion game, some Gucci, no Christian Dior. And I'm running around the town. All the time in Miami. They think my pocket empty. I filled it with the 50s, the hundreds. My mama told me that this boy is envy. She told me, never give a penny, not fucking free zone, baby. Everything allowed. You gotta roll with me before you know what I'm about. Man, I've never had a doubt. His girl is so loud when I'm moving in and out. Yeah, my homies getting high. We in cloud 7. I'm hoping when I get up, I see the gun on 7. And yeah, we all know I ain't a Christian, but come rapping, I can take it to heaven.
Okay, all right.
I'm not even gonna talk today.
I don't want you to talk. I don't want you to talk. All right, cool. So if you guys are watching, start letting us know who do you think is winning it so far. It's time for me to bring a word, and I can't even think. The first word that comes to my mind right now is teeth. Teeth, you know? Rap. You have to use the word teeth as many times as possible in your freestyle. Okay? So Libra's going first.
Y'all already know I be killing every beat. Y'all can see that I got a yellow tee. Yeah, I got a tee. Yeah. So this is a freestyle and I don't know what to say, but they gave me a word. He said it was T. And DJ Varowski be dropping that beat. Y'all already know it's bars when I speak. It's bars when I speak. It's bars when I sheet. Yeah, that girl's one. Damn, bro.
Okay. All right. Goolux.
Yeah, I'm in the building. It be like I be the reason why the mic's on. Shall I go flow, baby? There go. See. As your man, they rap, check like you smoke weed. You, what can you see? Maybe be chow with tea. I they mix the rap with a bit like some tea, bro. With some tea bread, man. Charlie, oh rap, yeah, oh bread, whoa. Me, I go free show you say this thing, it be instant rap with the do, but Charlie, I don't know what I go see, but I got just like say, okay, MX, give me 24 hours, I want to show my people something, alright, right now, here we do rap about tea, but said, oh yeah, me tea, Charlie, okay, Mr. yeah, DJ Beatz,
Do you know why Libra won this one?
No, wait.
Because the word was
I didn't
teeth,
know Midge was the judge now.
not teeth.
Miss you.
Just saying.
But why T?
I said teeth. Teeth. Yes, so he got it right.
Actually, they had T.
No,
That's
it's
all.
not my accent, guys. I said
Rusty.
teeth.
Did you hear T?
Roski, can I just get my crown? Like, what are we doing?
So, all right, fine, whatever. Go on, Varowski. What do you want to say?
All right. So, I mean, both of you guys, you guys are amazing. I have to give it to.
Drop it. I just said I need your voice. Drop it.
The
You're
guy,
going to drop it.
the guy standing next to Libra.
Okay. We are
All right, so we have a winner today. I
Yeah,
mean,
man.
that's
Nice one,
well
man.
done.
Libra,
Good luck
shout
to
to you,
Libra.
of course, man. Shout to you.
So, Libra, why don't you let us know your name, not your name, sorry, your social medias where we can find you and follow you on your journey.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'm completely out of space on Instagram. Libra the First on Twitter. Yeah, those are just.
So,
my social-
completely out of space.
Yeah,
And
Libra the first on Twitter.
Libra the first. All right, cool. Jason, you can do the next.
Yeah, man. Yo, just take it away. Where can we find you, support you, follow you and stuff? You know?
All right, across all social media networks, I'm Goolux1, GOOLUXWAN.
Goolux!
No underscore, just Goolux1 everywhere.
Yeah, man. So, guys, please support both artists, Libra and Goolux. You know, they just might be winning awards very soon, and this is what MXBEATZ is all about, giving these guys that space. And yeah, Charlie, this is your time. So now, since he won for today, we're gonna let him perform his own music. Check it out, check it out, check it out.
Shall I go flow, baby? Yeah. Yeah, one cake, Charlie. Listen.
It's rain on the beat.
Gone are the days where I bow to you, Lucifer. But now come see my father. In heaven, no lure with shit. Now say me vampire, baba baba. And yet they are watching me through Canaan. Was sending me Shira container. You know me, I don't deal with the fake ones. So I go say Jesus. I never go say Tanda. Apu. Charlie blessings, they follow me. I'm sorry, you don't know me la. Come on, see favor, see mercy, see bless, see faith, see patience and Pamela. Crowd in my side, I thank you, Lord. See, they'll come here, dangerous. Take off major continue, na major continue. Let me go up painting. They count on my blessings, day. Yeah, Baba don't bless me, chow. I'm chilling, willy. And the guy one man know the fit by kele sir. Soon I go talk my mommy say maybe fly to Yankee, fly to Hungary. Gone are the days where I bow to you, Lucifer. Now come see my father. In heaven, Olua Oshe. Now say me vampire, baba. Money be a drukena. Send me Shira container. Make you show your hanky. Lego. I say counting my blessings, I'm rejoicing. Favor, mercy, day, counting my blessings, I'm rejoicing. Grace, comfort, day, counting my blessings, I'm rejoicing forever.